Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and then select one of your chats. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. Now you can select your files right away, click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources. Wherever you decided, you can also tap on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Lastly, hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!